Friday to everybody. So we about to head down, get some breakfast. Oh, I gotta do my hair too. I think I'm gonna take this bun out and redo it. So yeah, we about to go downstairs, eat breakfast, get on the road. We got another 7 hours until we get to the house that we rented. And I'm excited. I'm excited for the house. No hotel hopping this trip, even though I do like hotel hopping. Today is Friday and I still haven't put a video out. Well, by the time I put this video out, y'all will have the other vlog, but I haven't put out a video since, what, Tuesday? Let me show y'all what I got on real quick. So I just have on this Powershot that I got from Forever 21. I got on the jeans that I bought at Ross yesterday. I like the fit. They're cute. I like them. I mean, they're cute. They're just jeans, but I'm just saying, I like the fit. They real. You know how us big girls need that extra mobility in a jean. So I really like them. They're nice and soft and stretchy. I do got my toes done, as y'all seen in the other video. Well, y'all haven't seen them, but yeah, they just pink and white. I just went old school and just got the basic pink and white.
Down right now, or?
Yeah, we about to go down. Come on, girls. Okay. Don't worry about it right now. We're just about to go eat breakfast. Oh. Yeah, it is stuff.
I need to bring my person on that.
No, just come on. Just bring yourself.
Tired.
What was you doing?
What
was you doing all night?
Nothing. So nothing else to do. Because I try to watch YouTube videos and all that stuff that wasn't helping me out.
Let go, girls. What you want, folks? They ain't gonna have no almond milk. Waiting on Cleveland to come back up with that what you call that cart dolly.
No, that's not dolly. A dolly's like where you carry boxes.
The luggage carrier. No, it's a luggage carrier.
Let's just call it dolly, okay?
It's a
no, it's not what it is.
You okay? It's a Walmart right across the street.
Right by that little pole.
It's a Walmart right there.
Just look at that pole.
Hi guys. Okay, so it's the morning time now, and we're about to get ready to leave the hotel. I don't know what time is it.
Scary.
8:53. So currently it is 8:53, and I don't know when.
So we made a quick stop in St. Matthews, South Carolina. I got some jalapeno ranch chips. These are alright. They don't taste as good as the sour cream and onion. Or sour cream and ranch. What is it? Or the ranch.
Sour cream and cheddar?
No, it's ranch. Yeah, it's ranch, not sour cream. I think. Can't remember. But I got me some peanuts. I got a big old cup full of peanuts. Yum.
Ew.
Oh, here, Cleavon, you said you wanted to taste more?
Open the window. Make sure, yeah, I was gonna say don't leave that shell right there. John stink.
It smells good.
You supposed to open it up first?
Yeah, you're supposed to open it. You don't eat the shell.
Smell like boiled dirt.
You could do a mukbang, Mommy. Huh? Can we do a mukbang?
Mukbang what? Chip. You don't like it? He said, ugh.
Nah. Right, just think about a peanut and think of it being boiled. It's a soggy peanut. Right. Yeah, that dog be banging.
Good to me.
Javon, that camera gonna fall eventually.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's up there.
Alright.
They fall and land on the land.
Land on Willing. I be done caught it, but you see how much space?
See, Javon, get that camera down.
Yeah, we had a TWA in Brunswick, Georgia, I think. I don't need to go to the bathroom now. You need to go to the bathroom?
Wait.
Jay, why you keep forgetting to take this off in the car? We got a Subway and a Burger King. in here. I don't know. I think Brunswick. I know a lot of new Vonnies didn't like. Who is this kid? Like who is this? Right? They like, who is this kid? But yeah, this is my oldest son, Cleavon. Yeah, yeah. That's what I said. Brunswick in the bathroom.
Georgia?
Yeah.
Right here.
And that's funny. I got that book, God's Word of Life for Women. I got that. I got it at Hobby Lobby.
It's like a book that says, God loves mommy and me.
Yeah.
You don't like hot cookies?
I don't like my pie heated up. I don't like nothing heated up like that.
Everything's made up.
Oh no, it ain't for me. It's for my daughter.
I'm about to go pump gas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, they just got some cookies. Yeah, and they got it.
I hate that cookie. These are real cookies.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
look at that
Starbucks head.
Oh, look at this cookie compared to that cookie. This is real. What is
Why
that?
you put it so close to the thing? Like, what the heck? Like, what the heck? But I always get their cookies warmed up. And Jay got it. It's in his bag. Calm down. Why you looking like that? Like something happened. Oh, where's mine? It's okay. Huh? Oh, you getting that? They got a lot of Christian books over here. I think I'm gonna get this right here. This look interesting for me to read in the car. So I'm gonna get me a little souvenir.
Look, mommy.
You want that one?
Huh?
You want that one? Well, they don't have no chapter. Do they got any chapter books?
No, I don't chapter books. I don't like books.
Huh?
I said I don't like books. I like chapter books.
I know.
How was
Ooh, what is that?
this cheesecake?
It look like a bun.
But how was the cheesecake though?
I don't know. Look like a bun. Deja.
What? Open it up.
So Georgia is doing us right. Yesterday, South Carolina and North Carolina wasn't doing us right. It was it was all gloomy and rainy.
Open Jay, come on. Over here.
Right over here.
It's absolutely beautiful out here. What's up, y'all? So we made it to the house. We we was in traffic forever, like forever. Like, it looks 45 minutes to an hour. We was in traffic, so we would have been here. It is a little bit after 6 right now. So this is the pool right here. We just came in the.
That door over there.
We just came in the back way.
Don't fall in the
Did y'all? Who was the last one? Close the gate.
Come upstairs.
Okay.
Oh my God.
This is the house, y'all. Not getting ran upstairs. This is beautiful. Go claim y'all bedrooms. Look at Jay's face. His mouth open. Yeah. This is nice.
This place is very small, dog.
This is so
This is really nice.
Yeah. Hey, Niyah, you wait. It's a bedroom down here. It's a big bed down here. So here's one bedroom. We got a bathroom. Then we got the dining room. Let's turn on some lights.
Just look at this table.
I know.
This is a nice family table.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm coming up. I'm trying to do the tour down here. Let me go in the kitchen real quick. So here is the kitchen. Got seating right here. It's got seating for days. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, the Beard family. Oh, it's so special. Thank you, Angela, if you're watching this vlog. I'll go through that later. But this is the kitchen.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Look at the stove.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drown in this house.
Oh, we're gonna be here a week. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna want to leave. I'm not gonna want to leave.
I'm at home already.
Right. It's so nice.
Oh my gosh, I want a house like this. It's so cool.
It's a bedroom here. So we got 2 bedrooms here and with their own bathroom. Okay, let me go up. Let me put my purse down.
Like here, like.
Okay, let's go up.
Look.
Dang, like extra plush.
Pool table.
Ooh, nice.
You are
That's really cool.
Got a big screen TV so you can chill and
Look at this thing.
right here. Oh, look out here.
We got a balcony. How big this balcony is?
Ooh, look how big this balcony is. Ooh, it looks like there's a bedroom right there. I think we got dibs on that bedroom. It's nice and peaceful.
So cool.
Wow.
Daddy, this is so cool. Look at this outside.
Dang, boo, you know how to play pool? He in here busting balls.
What's up, Ryan?
He in here busting balls.
Same stripes. He got love.
Right, yeah. So many people watching him now. Okay, let's see what's over here.
What is this?
Ooh, this is nice. So that must be out to the patio.
Yeah.
Here's a bathroom.
Ooh, look at this
Bathroom.
shower.
Ooh, look how big this shower is.
Dang.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's two, Cleveland. We can get in the shower together.
Right, who is this? Ours? Probably the closet. These are some
Oh, dang.
yeah, you
Jeez.
this closet. This
Right.
is all shoes.
Oh, yeah.
This is so fun. I love this house. I love this house. Now the experience is basically like an engine. Oh my God.
Yeah, right.
It's a bedroom in here. Okay, so here's the...
Did you come back here?
No, I ain't come back there. So here's the laundry room.
Oh, this got a jacuzzi in here.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
Like the little thing, yeah. What the heck?
Oh, nice.
This one even better.
Yeah.
Shower too.
Which room do y'all pick?
We about to see.
We gotta see.
It's just another little patio out here.
Yeah.
Overlook the pool.
That's so cool.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
This house making me want to
Can I take my
eat.
shoes off?
Eat like a lion. I don't even want to eat no regular food.
You stupid.
Some zebra or something.
My shoes.
Yeah, Niyah.
Or a zebra or something.
You silly. Put your pinky up every time you eat and everything. Royalty.
What is that? No, the Flintstones, that big old baby.
Yeah.
I need to eat an exotic animal.
Let's go downstairs.
All right, let me turn some of these lights off though that we turned on that we're not using. So here's the other, what is this? Probably full. Yeah, full 2 beds. This is downstairs. Like I said, I just peeked in here. I didn't come all the way in here. And here go the shower.
Yeah.
Here is the shower. Huge.
This big is dead ass.
Huge. This reminds me like if you're in a locker room or something.
One right here, one
yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
There's the toilets right there.
Oh.
Yeah, so you can use the bathroom
The
separate
toilet.
from the bathroom.
Yeah, and privacy.
In here,
Yeah.
Look,
This leads out to the pool, and it also has a pool alarm.
Watch out, watch your eyes. See, that's why you hit that hard. You got lucky. Watch your eyes. You might pop the ball. Watch them
Where Deja at?
windows. She ran downstairs. Why would you go for that one? That green one, beautiful. Wow. Oh yeah, I see. You gotta
I left my other backpack in the front of the car.
Whoa,
Got it.
whoa,
Oh.
Thank you, sir. What was that on? Grand Theft Auto? Oh, you hear you kept changing clothes and
Let's go find Deja. Huh?
What are we eating for dinner?
Mommy,
I don't know.
there's a palm tree in here.
Oh, that's cute. This room is huge. Do y'all, you can go out right here too?
Yes, patio.
Oh wow. Yana and Cleveland is tied.
Scared. I don't think we can get
And it's her turn.
Yeah. Yana is really good.
I'm calling that one over there. I'm scared.
You better not miss because it's over if you
I'm
do.
gonna miss it.
Don't make it all weak.
See.
Oh! Yeah, it's over.
Oh.
8-ball corner pocket.
Miss it.
That's still a hard shot.
That's what it's supposed to look like. That'll make the other dog. Miss it.
Get close, get dummy close. Yes.
What did he say?
Puddles.
He did?
Puddles.
You won.
Right.
I didn't hear what he
I
said.
think he said puddles. Corner pocket over there.
Kids barely do that anymore.
Gang. Ventured out, which we didn't really want to leave, but we didn't have no. There's no, I don't know. Hold on. But yeah, now you're asking for the kids meal. But we had a place called Beef O'Brady's, not far from our place. Then we're gonna stop at Publix and get us some groceries in the house. Like, so it's a neat little place. It's like a bar, got a whole bunch of TVs and stuff. What you gonna?
Process.
Firecracker hamburger. You know that's gonna be hot, right? Yeah. Now your kids right there in the back, all the way in the back. Yeah. Look at Niyah, y'all. She can't wait to order. She want to order herself. Look, she just waiting till they get around to her. I mean, till he get around to her. Look, watch it.
Can I get the cheeseburger and
She is so excited to order.
Look how freaking
Look at this, y'all.
Look how up his shoulders get. Like,
Ben.
let me see.
Oh, look at Deja's burger.
what's this place called?
O'Brady's or something?
Beef O'Brady's on Jay's stuff.
That cheese. It's like 5 different cheeses.
Yana, would you move your big hand? What is that, Jay?
And this is a mozzarella stick, but it's like 5 different cheeses.
I'm saying, what's the sandwich? Is that
Cheese, right?
It's a hamburger stick.
Oh,
It's just
okay.
bread, like
Oh.
grilled cheese.
Oh,
Mommy, got rice fish.
yeah. So now you asked for a hamburger with some applesauce. She didn't know about the Rice Krispie treat. Cleavon got some move that. Move here. I'm trying to get your thing.
Go get that.
He got some steak nachos.
Why are you trying to make everything be sweet?
Oh, Cleavon. Right.
Naturally, I don't even think about it.
Yeah, right. Why? Like everything you do, you try to make it extravagant for no reason. Look, and B and one.
Got some lemon pepper wings. Some curly fries. Yana got the same thing down there as me, but she got straight fries. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna wrap this up and call it a night. I am super tired. I don't even know what time it is around this piece. I don't even know. Oh, it's 10:25. We just came back from Publix and got... Huh?
Put this.
No, just put it on your bed. Don't bring it in the kitchen. So yeah, we just went to Publix and picked up some breakfast and some snacks and some fruit. We got some cupcakes over there, bagels, cream cheese, some hash browns, waffles, some sausages. Got some watermelon, apples, bananas, some halos, some eggs, some more hash browns. We got some Cool Whip syrup, cream cheese, English muffins, some cookies, cereal. Okay, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow is just gonna be like a chill day. I don't know what we're gonna do. We might go to the mall. We might, I don't know. It's just, we're not going to the parks tomorrow. We're only going to the parks Wednesday and Thursday. We're going to Gatorland. We're doing the escape room. What else I got planned? That's all I can think of at the top of my head. There's some other stuff. I can't remember. Oh, we're going to that Wonderworks, that museum that's upside down. We're doing that, but that's later on in the week. But yeah, all right, y'all. Let me get this food put up. I got to edit this vlog for y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all tomorrow.